Oh, Monday Morning Fabrics. You guys ready for this? This is an amazing collection. So let me start with this. This is 100% cotton. I bounce it like this because the drape is incredible. 100% cotton, has stretch in both directions. Beautiful color. It's just a deep orange. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely hand. Really pretty. It goes with this. I put it in. It's not an exact match, but it sure is a pretty blend. And you can see on this side, it really picks up the little bits of orange that are in there. It's beautiful. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. Lovely for a little jacket. Wouldn't that be so cute? It's reversible. Now these fabrics are all $14.99 today and tomorrow. But isn't that pretty? It's just got that little bit of orange, so this really picks it up. I'm not sure even what's the right side. It's one of those you could use either one. The teal or the aqua. It's not a teal. It's like an aqua. I put this right here. So this is a woven and it's 100% cotton. Great for like 922 would be so cute. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. I mean, a little bit of stretch in this other direction, but I think it's a one-way. But beautiful color. It is a cotton poly. Again, knit, stretch in one direction. This is a woven. This is a cotton poly. Love this. Again, for a little jacket, would that be just adorable? White slacks for now, and you can go darker slacks like a dark tan for the fall. So great transition fabric with this. It's reversible. Can't tell which side is the right side. But again, it's a woven. Love this. This is a beautiful 100% cotton. It has just a touch of floral in there. The base is white. It's a beautiful white color. It has stretch in one direction. And again, just lightweight and really pretty. And then it brings us to probably my fave. Oh, I love them all, but this is a 2-layer. You can see it's been just picked, stitched together. So there's 2 layers. It's 100% cotton. They're stretch in both directions. Both colors are beautiful. This is a milk on the inside, and then it's in a great orange on the outside, reddish orange. So pretty. $14.99 is a steal for that fabric. And the goal is, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.